Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
I'm Lauren. This is Daniel. Welcome to RTR Travel Test Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make the gray stuff from Be Our Guest restaurant at Walt Disney World. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. So to start, here's what you'll need. 15 chocolate sandwich cookies, an 8-ounce tub of whipped topping, a 3-ounce packet of vanilla instant pudding, 1 tablespoon of chocolate instant pudding, and a 1.5 cups of milk. Okay, Daniel, so the first thing we have to do is we have to add this pudding mix to the bowl.
Oh.
Do you want to help me with that?
Sure.
Okay. Go ahead, pour it in.
I'm good it all by myself.
Yeah, you did it all by yourself. Thank you.
I did it all by myself. What is that?
This is milk. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pour the milk in. Okay, so do you want to help me? I'll help you with this. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to mix the pudding together. Do you want to help?
Oh yeah. So is that mine and that one's yours?
Exactly.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mix it gently.
Mix it gently. Keep mixing. Mix until it's nice and smooth. Do you like mixing?
Yeah.
Is the pudding all mixed together?
Almost. Now is it?
Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna smash up these cookies.
That's not this cookie.
Exactly. So if you have a food processor, you can do that. Or if you've got a kid with a lot of energy, like Daniel, you can use a rolling pin and a Ziploc bag, put the cookies inside, and let them smash.
Sass.
Yeah. Okay. Daniel, are you ready to smash?
Yes.
Okay. Take this and gently hit the cookies. Ready? So once the cookies are all ground up, what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix them into the vanilla pudding mix. Do you wanna pour it into the bowl?
Sure.
Okay, 2 hands.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I was gonna mix it.
Now we're gonna mix it up. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the whipped topping and you're gonna mix it into the bowl. Okay, so I'm gonna put the whipped topping in and then you can stir it all up, okay?
Okay.
And finally, the last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put that tablespoon of instant chocolate pudding into the bowl. Keep stirring.
And then can I taste it? With
Oh
my
yes, you
finger?
can.
Wait now.
When it's all mixed up. How does it smell?
Chocolatey.
And now the last thing you need to do is take the bowl, put it in the fridge, and chill until the mixture sets. So now that our mixture has set in the fridge, we're gonna take it and put it into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a Ziploc, put it into a glass, and fold the top over. Daniel, do you wanna help me spoon some in?
Sure.
Okay.
That's a big piping bag.
So now that the filling is in this bag, we're gonna cut the tip off. And we're gonna pipe it onto the plate. Now you can use this to put on top of brownies or cupcakes, cookies, whatever you wanna do. Okay, Daniel, you ready?
Yeah. It's Mickey.
Okay, Daniel, are you ready to try some?
Yeah.
Get your spoon. Cheers. How is it?
Good.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.